Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, the last video I shared with you, I'm going to be doing a rotation of a head of a rat. Well, this is a 3/4 view now that you can easily see is similar to the other one. It's just a fun little way of when we do model sheets for characters, for comic books, and for animation. Something very key to the illustrator. So if you have some paper and you have your pencil, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.